Good morning, crypto world. All right, so let's open today's video with a quick overview on coin market cap. We can see that today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap have decreased 0.81%, so fairly stable. A lot of coins in the top 10 are on the bear side, single digit, very small movements. Bitcoin fell 0.81% and Ethereum 2.26%. We did make a video yesterday, which I'm going to play shortly, where we advised to stay put and not to trade Ethereum yesterday. All right, so the RSI is a bit different from the hourly. It's not bang in the middle, it's slightly on the oversold area. The MACD, the red on top means that the bearish is a bearish, you can see from the bearish volume underneath, so it's a bearish. We can see here Ethereum slightly going down on a 4-hourly. So I always say that today the greatest opportunity, you can see there is a nice little channeling here. We don't know what's going on here. So I always say today we need to stay put. We need to see what's going on and then decide where we should buy or sell Ethereum today. There is not a strong indicator, I'm sorry. It's not really a massive big news in the Ethereum world. There's this website that has mentioned a potential big whale transaction yesterday that happened 22 hours ago, and it's about moving a massive amount of Ethereum, so 100,000 Ethereum, consolidating into a wallet, anonymous wallet. So I'm not sure if this has any impact on price, but it's good to know. All right, so the other thing I wanted to show you is quite interesting. All right, so what I wanted to show you is the relationship between Ethereum and Bitcoin. So when we started around 2018, when we had the last bull run, Ethereum and Bitcoin had a quite interesting relationship. They went up to 0.1. So Ethereum was basically worth 10% of a Bitcoin, right? So Ethereum was worth 10% of a Bitcoin. Then since then, the relationship, as you can see, the graph went down, and Ethereum, back in September 2019, Ethereum was worth a tenth of what it was worth here. So Ethereum was worth 1% of Bitcoin. So Ethereum went from being worth 10% to 1%, right? Then when we had the last rally in February, Ethereum went up to 0.04. So that was 4%, right? So we believe that Ethereum still got a way to go. So we believe that there is still this relationship between the two. We've seen that when Bitcoin goes up, obviously Ethereum goes up, but we haven't seen this lately. So we've seen that Bitcoin has gone up and Ethereum has gone down. So you can see that there is a correction here, but it doesn't look like it's following this sort of trend line. And if we do, let's say, obviously with correction, we probably are going to get back to the 10% sometimes in 2023, right? So it's not something that is going to happen overnight. I don't think so. All right, so this is something that I wanted to bring to your attention. All right, so we said yesterday to do not trade. So I think we were kind of right, because the price went sideways. It didn't really do much. We actually had our first live trading experiment. So we went online and we tried to, it was first time we did it on YouTube Live, try to trade and see if we could spot signals and share what we're doing. So we managed to get 8 trades throughout the broadcast, and they were all successful. So we basically highlighted some channeling, some dips. We saw signals of Ethereum recovering from these dips, and we estimated higher ceilings, so we can then place our stop. So anyway, so today what I'm seeing here is a bit like yesterday. There is not really a strong indicator on the hourly. There is obviously Ethereum is currently on his way up to the 1800 levels. I do have a stop there. I will be happy actually if Ethereum can bounce back and go back to the 1690 or the 1700 levels, so we can then buy back over here. But there is no, you can see from the various metrics at the moment we are between the 50 days and the 200 days. The 200 days is here and the 50 days is here. Now I'm going to add, all right, let me add here. So I'm going to add the exponential moving average, which is this. Yeah, because I've got another, I need to get rid of this and then I'll do it again. All right, so let's add the exponential moving average. That's it. Done. No. All right. So, and then let's change this to be, okay, to be in yellow, and then let's also change the 5 days so we see the latest momentum. All right. Okay, so if you have a look at the 5 days, at the moment Ethereum is slightly up. That means is a bullish sign. On the MACD we can see a bullish sign. On the RSI is bang in the middle, so we don't really know from the RSI. So I would say if we had to give you a prediction, I would say the best case scenario, Ethereum will be testing the 1840 level, but there is not enough. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly to see if there is any other signal here that we can spot. So on the 4 hourly, it is more bearish. So you can see there is a negative volume. The MACD is up. It is kind of going along the 5 days moving average. A good trend indicator is 200 days, and we can see from here that is above the 200 days, but it is below the 50 days, which gives us momentum. So if we go then have a look at the MACD, we can see that there is kind of not enough volume there. So let me switch to the daily and see if we can spot anything else in there. All right, so if we go on the daily, we can see a lovely V shape formation with Ethereum on its way down at the moment. That's at least what we can see on the daily. The RSI is not in favor, and the MACD, we can see that there is very low volume. So I would say this is another day where we can probably need to stay put. And that's it from me today. Have a great day. Follow the channel. Take it easy. Bye.